Ah. Ne? Ne? Ayan sila. Ne? Super. Draper ko. Ginagawa-record ko na lang sa camera.
Have fun! And be a hero!
Ah. Kailangan wala ka sa ng loob yun para mag-record.
All this and more as we explore the Pearl of the Orient Seas, the Philippines. Experience the excitement only here on the newest travel show in town.
The show that will let you discover and get to know more about the Philippines.
So join us as we bring you to the coolest and hottest travel destination in the country.
Mabaka ka dito na. Tripod.
Fresh seafood, tamilok, and the natural beauty of the island. That's Palawan.
Palawan is the last frontier of the country. It's always about the famous underground river. Progress and development have never been a hindrance to preserve the culture and tradition, as well as the natural resources. And that is true here in Rio Tuba. Big night. The cleanest and greenest city in the country. With its natural and ecological tourist attractions, Puerto Princesa is a haven for nature lovers like us. It is an independent city located at the western provincial island of Palawan. The city is also the center of activities in Palawan. Aside from being the seat of public administration, it is the core of trade, commerce, service, and industry in the province. And when you go to Puerto Princesa, you shouldn't miss its pride and glory. I am.
Do you like seeing a lot of stalagmites and stalactites?
Of course.
I'm
excited to see them.
Because here in St. Paul subterranean river, you will see a lot of formations of stalactites and stalagmites that been formed thousands of years ago.
So that has been the talk of the year, because we are here in Underground River. And it's my first time to visit this one, and I've been hearing a lot of things about this.
Good
And
things,
yeah, this is it. I feel like I'm a child who's about to discover new things in it. Did you
Let's
guys
go.
know that it is considered one of the most important biodiversity conservation here in the Philippines? So I'm just really excited to witness this one. All right, let's go. Let's go. Awarded as one of the 7 new wonders of nature,
This is the longest navigable subterranean river.
The Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, or the Underground River. Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park is a protected area located 50 kilometers north of the center of Puerto Princesa. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and recognized as one of the new 7 Wonders of Nature in 2011. It is also used to be the world's longest underground river. We also had this mangrove paddle tour to better understand the purpose of having an ecological and sustainable tourism.
Mangroves or bakawan serve as a natural habitat for many marine life.
Puerto Princesa is also diverse when it comes to food. One of the famous restaurants here in Puerto Princesa is the Bajau Seafront Restaurant. It offers a wide array of local cuisines that specializes in seafood.
It's our first time, but I heard high ratings about Bajau. Masarap. Taste is excellent. Actually, the whole food, it's awesome.
Oh, Purple Fountain.
Purple Fountain.
We also visited the White Fence Country Cafe in Purple Fountain Courtyard Inn. This cozy restaurant is at the heart of Puerto Princesa.
Most of our food were inspired by the comfort foods that we grew up with, or because my husband and his family, they spent a large time of their lives in Canada. I grew up in the US, so our menu is mostly Western, but we do have, of course, a lot of Filipino foods because we have a lot of Filipino guests, and they're just mostly foods that we like to eat because we love to eat. So.
I think even if it's Western, there's still a taste of Filipino in it.
Yeah,
Yes.
pretty tasty. What types of rooms do you have?
There is the standard rooms, and then those are good for up to 4 people. The rates start at $1,590 a night for 2 people. But we also have the family suite and the large family suite, which can accommodate up to 7 people. So,
And there's a playground, did you notice? And just recently, they won an award.
Oh, yeah,
Let's talk about that.
something about award.
yes,
Yeah.
for 2014, we won the TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Award for the B&Bs and Inns category in the Philippines. So
Wow.
that means Purple Fountain is actually among the top 25 inns in the country.
Up next, we'll explore more of Sabang Beach, the world-class Sheridan Beach Resort, and more jam-packed activities, all these when Trippers returns.
Hindi ka na masyadong mindment kasi sa budget.
Serenity and tranquility defines the place. We found a luxurious gem right at Sabang Beach. This is Sheridan Beach Resort and Spa. A member of Preferred Hotel Group under Sterling Hotels Band. Sheridan Beach Resort and Spa is a world-class luxury hotel. dedicated in promoting its principles and sustainable ecotourism.
Everything that you need is here, which includes full board. We have a package, we call it all aboard. Everything is in already. If you would like to go swimming, we have the biggest pool in Palawan. If you like to check out the beach, we have one of the best beaches here in Palawan.
The beach. The crystal clear waters and pristine white sand across the property attracts tourists, both local and international. Situated at the heart of Sabang Beach, Sheridan Beach Resort and Spa is the perfect venue for a dream vacation. There are a lot of activities to enjoy here, just like the activities in their beach area. Well-pointed rooms. Sheridan offers a bunch of luxurious accommodation that would suit your taste. After the fun by the beach, we went to see the organic farm. Sheridan Management initially developed it to supply the resort with fresh organic vegetables and fruits for the food and beverage requirements. Its setup is also self-sustaining and self-sufficient. Aside from herbs, fruits, and vegetables, they now produce their own rice. And we thought we'll just be farmers. Looks like Candice prepared something for us.
Go!
Madaya yung game, dapat nagtutulakan yan eh, nagpapalampasan kayo eh.
Dalawa kami.
2 points ka. Tuwan.
Go!
Talo si Anzo! Onto! Tusi! Sili yung level niya. Sili yung level.
There's also a mini archery facility that you can enjoy here. The best way to end the day is, of course, a complete relaxation. So we checked out Sheridan Nature Spa to pamper ourselves. The spa is designed to nurture relaxation and revitalize one's soul. The health and beauty remedies are made from fresh and natural recipe using aromatherapy oils, herbs, and spices with ancient healing powers. Up next, join us as we explore more of Southern Palawan. Let's get to know more of Palawan Tribe. And responsible mining, is it really possible? All this when we come back. After touring Puerto Princesa, we headed south of Palawan. It took us roughly 5 hours to reach our destination. Approximately 225 kilometers from Puerto Princesa, Bataraza is located at the southernmost tip of the island. One of its most populated barangay and the center of commercialism is Rio Tuba. Rio is a Spanish term which means river, while tuba is a local plant. During the early days, the natives used tuba as a poison to fish for their local festivities. Rio Tuba is known for its nickel mineral reserves. It was in 1968 when a small group of geologists and engineers discovered a vast nickel deposit in the area. After a year or two, Rio Tuba Nickel Mining Corporation was founded.
So what do you think is the greatest advantage of Nickel Asia here in this community?
Yes, before, nung wala pa yung company, mining company. So, gubat ito, liblib na lugar. So, nung dumating yung mining company dito, of course, nagdala dito ng technology, education, maraming good things. Na-educate yung mga tao, nabigyan sila ng hanap buhay na maayos. And somewhat yung mga anak nila, pamilya nila, na mulat sila sa education, maging responsible pero sa mga professionals na sila ngayon.
The foundation of the mining site opened many opportunities not only to Rio Tuba but also to its people, especially the Palauan tribe. The concentration of Palauan tribe is in Rio Tuba. We even visited one of their Gawad Kalinga sites to catch up with them. Considering all these improvements that you have in your community, how's the Palauan tradition and culture being preserved?
Ang kultura po namin, kahit ganun na yung nangyari, umimprove na yung barangay namin, lahat ng kwalis dahil sa company. Hindi po naapektuhan yung kultura. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po hanggang halagaan po namin yun talaga. Kasi yun lang talaga ang pwede namin maipakita sa dalawang company na nagkaroon kami ng separate doon sa SDMP, mayroon pa kaming royalty. Kasi kung dahil doon sa royalty, kaya kami binigyan dahil doon sa kultura. Kasi yung pag-aari talaga ng katutubo ng kanilang minimina.
They even showed us one of their traditional dances that they still perform during special occasions. Helping them construct their newly awarded house from Gawad Kalinga is a fulfilling experience. We also met the first member of Palauan tribe who got hired in the mining company.
Gaano katagal po kayo na nagtrabaho sa Nickel Asia?
Kuha na 34.
34 years! Tapos, buong 34 years po, nagtatabas po kayo.
Hindi, wala. Medyo narunong ako mag-practice hanggang naka-segregator ako ng lupa.
So mula po sa pagtatabas hanggang sa naging segregator po.
Nag-trainee ba? Hanggang nabot ako ng segregator, truck, bulldozer.
Naging driver din po kayo ng truck at saka bulldozer.
Pag doon lang sa loob lang kami na, pero sa labas nila kasi wala man lisensya.
The tour of the infamous Rio Tuba River with Chieftain was exciting but a bit scary. This is where the used to be largest crocodile Rio was found. That is the reason why the croc was named Rio. We also explored the mangroves to get Tamilok. Tamilok is a famous delicacy found in Palawan which tastes like oysters. It is a mollusk found inside of rotting mangroves.
Look, oysters. Good.
The Rio Tuba Nickel Mining Corporation, together with its mother company, Nickel Asia Corporation, put extra effort in helping the locals, one of which is providing quality education in Rio Tuba. Leonidas S. Vitara Memorial School is one of the many projects of the mining company. This educational facility is not just your ordinary school. They use De La Salle's curriculum as their teaching method. The school is also provided with a state-of-the-art computer laboratory to enhance computer literacy of the students.
I'm amazed how these students maximize the use of technology in order to study their subjects in school.
In a continuous effort of responsible mining, Rio Tuba Nickel Mining Corporation organizes a regular tree planting activity. It is the moral obligation of every mining company to plant trees in order to restore the land to its nearest original state. As part of the Responsible Mining for Every environmental protection and enhancement programs, they also aim to plant 2 million trees in the coming years.
We start about 400 trees per hectare. And then, i-increase namin yan hanggang umabot ng mga 3,000 trees per hectare.
Yeah! Yeah! Yes! With Rio Tuba's vast land, farming is becoming a major business here as well. So in Filipino, this is what you call big night. Well, the taste kind of bitter.
Serious?
Sour.
After picking some pineapples, we even dared ourselves for a mini challenge.
This is challenge is called the fastest the best. So the first one who would finish peeling the pineapple cleanly will be the winner. 1, 3. 1, 3.
1. You're already slicing what?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sino nagbigay nito? Uy, mapurol! Mapurol!
I'm done! Excuse me. Naubos yung laman. I'm done! Wala bang plate? I'm gonna start my plating now.
Bakit?
I know it's not so pretty, but try it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Wait, wait!
3, 2, 1.
So you guys are ready to be judged?
I'm ready to win.
Whatever.
Alright, let's call the judges. Sir Bong, Miss Seth, and Denise, please come in.
Obvious winner na eh. So, Candice.
Yay!
Like,
Yeah!
mabilis. Yung presentation niya bagay.
Ay, naku!
Hey!
Yay!
I'm the winner!
Visiting Rio Tuba and seeing it at its finest was an eye-opener. It is a proof that progress and development are not obstructions in preserving the culture and tradition, while protecting and enriching the natural resources at the same time. They are committed to implementing best practices in managing the environmental impact of their operations. They also carry out progressive rehabilitation of mined-out areas in order to restore, if not improve, the environment to its pre-mining condition.
Tapos na din.
Next week, we'll take you to another famous tourist destination of our country. Join us again as we experience fun and know their culture and traditions. We'll also tickle your taste buds as we savor their authentic dishes. All this for the next episode of the newest travel show of the country.
Okay na? Rice pa? Rice pa?
Hindi kumain ka pa.
Uy, okay na tayo. Baka hindi ko maubos. Sayang.
Trippers!
Mali.
Mabuti na lang, oh. Low bat na.